It is important to be safety conscious at all times, especially when working with lead-acid batteries. When charging such batteries, remember the following safety points. Ensure that you work in a well-ventilated area. Keep ignition sources away from the work area and do not smoke near any batteries on charge. Ensure all connections to the batteries are secure and in a serviceable condition. Always switch off the external charging device at the mains plug and never break a live circuit. Monitor the electrolyte temperature when a battery is under rapid charge. The temperature must not be allowed to rise above 40 degrees centigrade. Keep cells topped up by adding the correct amount of distilled or approved battery water. Allow a clear space of at least 20 millimeters between batteries on the charging rack. Before fast charging commences, remove all the vent plugs and, if necessary, wash them in clean water. Check that the vents are clear. This fact also applies to low maintenance batteries. Preferably remove the cell covers where possible to assist in dissipating gas. Keep work surfaces, batteries and connections clean and dry at all times. Spillages must be washed down as soon as possible with clean water. Finally, do not look into the cell openings without wearing a face shield. This concludes the basic battery maintenance series. We trust that you will join us again when you can learn more about technical skills and maintenance procedures.